Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to activate NFC on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So it's really quite simple and easy. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your settings app. And once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on Control Center. Once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll down NFC tag reader, and if you see it, all you gotta do is tap on the plus icon right before it and it will be added to your control center. Then the next thing that you need to do is just simply scroll down the control center from the top, and then your NFC tag reader will be right there. All you gotta do is just simply tap on it and it will be activated, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.